Climate change is one of the biggest threats to our future, and young people like myself will see that future unfold. But many young people feel that politicians do not listen to their views. And when the next general election takes place, they will, for the first time, be casting their votes. So we have invited young people from Leicestershire colleges, alongside our students here at Montfort University, to put their questions to a panel of politicians and environmental experts. We want to find out if politics will fix our planet. Hi Owen, and how are you finding the task today?
Yeah, very good. We came up with quite a few good points. Yeah.
And what questions do you have for the panellists?
Well, I'm going to ask how they propose to tackle climate change on a local basis.
With the students just having finished their workshop, it's now time for them to put their questions to the panellists.
I'm Joseph, and there's been a lot of emphasis on today of controlling and making restrictions on the average person, on decent, hard-working families. Why not start from the top down?
I would say that the one way to elicit any change is to vote differently. There's a real opportunity to vote and get the government we deserve and we need.
Often small businesses get bogged down by the big jargon that is used around climate change.
The media have really let us down because there have been really good actions that have targeted bad actors.
There's a lot of amazing policies going on in other countries around like circular economy. Actually, it's looking at it from like the social justice angle.
We're supporting our new oil and gas in the North Sea, so we're less reliant on foreign imports.
Here, and it's very important that we acknowledge and recognize that it's not a level playing field.
It's because of like institutional portrayal by the politicians.
The thing that always amazed me is, why don't we just ban making plastic bags? Finish it, then we don't have to pay for it anymore and nobody can buy it. But we don't make these decisions.
So we're actually not only doing activity in Leicester, we are in the Blue Zone in Dubai. We have our own pavilion. We're the only UK university with a pavilion, and we're sharing our research and our commitment to climate action with global leadership. Our Vice-Chancellor, Professor Katie Normington, and the Head of UN Climate, Martina Donnellan, are online and they have a message for you.
I'm delighted to be able to show you a bit of what's going on at COP28. So we're here in Dubai.
Every one of us can make a small bit of a difference, right? Small steps we can take. Get others to care about climate, get others to speak up about the need for action, put pressure on your leaders, be it government officials, be it CEOs. We need business leaders, we need government leaders to change and go out and vote.
Hands up if you think politicians listen to young people. Hands up if you're going to vote at the next general election.
And you were a very great host, but I've got a question for you. Do you think politics will fix the planet?
If politics can't, nobody else will. And so politics has got to take the lead, so the governments have to take the lead. But without that political lead, the planet is dead.
Hi Joseph, and what was your favourite thing about today?
I think getting to ask questions directly to policymakers was really interesting. Seeing what responses they get out. We've got a general election right around the corner, so that was really important.
And if there's one thing you can take from today's event, what would it be?
I think we should, in my opinion, we should raise our voice about climate change. We should make a change about this because I feel like it's really affecting us and it's really affecting the community out there, especially poor countries.
Hi Trudy, and before coming here, did you care about climate change?
I've only realised due to this panel that it extends to a lot more than what I previously thought. So my knowledge has been expanded into different branches.
So what we asked the MPs what policies will be implemented to maintain a sustainable future for fashion. So for me, what I would like to see is MPs introducing more legislation to try and actually get these companies to be responsible.
Are you going to be voting this year?
Yes, I will be voting this year. It's very important to vote, extremely for young people who don't get their voices heard often.
And one of the questions was, will politics fix the planet? So do you think politics will fix the planet, or do you think it's something else that would?
I definitely think it will. I think politics is involved in everything we do because it has to be in order for there to be change. So I think it's really important that it is.